Okay, time for another DIY hack. Yes, it's a sort of hack. It's more a lot of DIY is all about knowing the kit that's out there that can help you do a job. So a particular type of glue or a fitting or a widget or even a tool that just enables you to do the job really quickly. And a lot of people are put off putting ensuite bathrooms into their bedrooms or whatever because of the problems of getting the waste product, the toilet water and everything else, the sewerage, away from an inaccessible place. Well, there's a simple little thing you can get. It's called a macerator stroke toilet pump. And this is what they look like. This is one that was from a online plumbing type place, not very expensive, 150 quid or so. What it has here is this attaches to the back of the loo, and then what happens is all the stuff that goes into the loo gets mushed up by a sort of bladey thing, and then you don't think too much about that, and then it comes out of this tube at the bottom, and then it gets pumped from that up and away. But it means that in a house like this, we've got this room here, it's a bathroom, it's in the middle of the house. Normally it would be very difficult to get away the sewerage and stuff from that, but that little macerator pump means you can do it. So, DIY tip, don't forget, if you need to get sewerage away from somewhere that's a little bit inaccessible, there's a thing called a macerator pump stroke, toilet pump stroke, whatever, that can sort out your problem. That's a DIY tip for you.